Hi guys, a very warm welcome to all of you, all my ninjas. How are you all doing? Are you guys excited for this session? Yes? Hi Bharani, welcome. Tejaswini, Science Priya is back. Welcome, welcome. VSG, Rebecca, welcome. Shreya, Uncharted. Very good, Uncharted. That's awesome. So guys, today we are going to continue with PnC part number 4, and that will be the last lecture of this wonderful topic. And you know what is the best part? I'm going to give you an assignment that covers all the topics of this particular chapter. So if you guys want that assignment, you have to be a part of our Telegram group. Okay? The assignment will be shared to you right after this class in the Telegram group. So make sure you join our Telegram group. Okay, so we are coming back with the drill for PnC that will be shared to you in Telegram. Very good, very good. I'm doing great, Tejaswini. So yes, Uncharted, the assignment will be provided with the solution so that you can try it, and if you are getting stuck, then you can have a look at the solution. The solution will be step by step. Okay. Naveen Roshan, we will start with straight lines very soon. That will be the next topic which I will take for the 11th standard ninjas. Okay. Very good, Gopal. I am sure you are having a great time. Thank you for being here. Hi Kiran, welcome. Nice to have you here. So guys, how is the Josh? Are you all ready for this night session? The first time we are doing this, we are going to have a fun time. Shall we begin? Yes? Hi Jyoti Raditya, welcome. So nice to have you here as well. Very good Kiran, that's awesome. Okay. Exactly Harini. So finally we have started off with the night session. So let's see how it goes. I'm going to take care of all the best topics that are left out. Let's have a look at them guys slowly. Okay. So before we get started, for those who are coming here for the first time, guys, my name is Shimon Joseph and I'm a math master teacher here at Vedantu, and I've been teaching for almost 7 years now, mentoring more than 10,000 plus wonderful students like all of you. And when I was like you guys, I too prepared for exams like KVPY and I cleared it. And when I wrote JEE Mains, I was one of the state toppers in Tamil Nadu. So if you guys want to be closer to me, if you guys want to ask your doubts to me, then you have to get in touch with me on Instagram. So that is my personal ID. I interact with all my ninjas out there. I talk to them. I clear their doubts. So if you want to get in touch, you know the drill. Just follow me and I will respond to all your queries. Okay? Hi Girupa Varsha, welcome. Hi Mohammed, welcome man. Yes, Jumana. Yes. Uncharted, without doing straight lines, conics will be difficult. So I will start off with straight lines, then go to circles, then we will do conic sections. Okay. Hi Kavya, welcome. Hi Kashap, welcome man. So many wonderful students. Okay. Girupa Varsha, don't worry. And guys, I wanted to know one more thing. How many of you are preparing for your board exam? Do you need any help regarding that, or is that manageable by your own? Yes, I wanted to learn and understand what you guys feel about it. Yes, Karan Das, we are planning one short series. I will come up with that in the next week. Okay. So many people are interested in board exam, right? So I'm going to come up with board exam and one short series and KVPY sprint. So many wonderful things planned for you, for all of you guys. Okay. The only thing which I expect in return is your love, your support, you sharing it to a lot of people, because we need to grow this channel together guys, and you will be a part of this wonderful journey. Okay. Brilliant. Definitely Girupa Varsha, we will be there to help you out. Yes, Abdullah, we are just getting started. This is a wonderful topic, Abdullah. Yesterday, Arvind sir also had taken in JEE channel regarding PnC, right? So I'm going to talk about that in detail. Please do listen carefully, okay? Definitely, Bharani, I will do that as well once we hit it big. So guys, this is the schedule. Tomorrow we have one lecture on mathematics, which will be on integration. I'm sure you guys loved and enjoyed the session today. If you were a part of it, then definitely you should be there tomorrow as well, because we will be nailing it and we will be completing this whole chapter. Exactly, Tejaswini, you are right. So this is the mentee sprint. Tomorrow you have a sprint session with Wasim Sir. So if you guys want to be a part of the sprint, then please do attend it, and it will be at 1 p.m. Okay? Yes, Kiran, we will do that. I will try to include all the board exams of different states so that everybody benefits from it. Okay? So guys, if you are new to this channel, definitely give it a subscribe, and I will guarantee it will be a turning point in your life. This channel is going to work wonders because, like I said, we are going to take responsibility of your studies. We will ensure you, we will handhold you to your JEE mains. Until then, I will take care of you. Okay? The only thing I expect in return is your support and your love, and that is very much needed, guys. That is what pumps teachers up, and that is what takes us to a very, very good level of content that is delivered to you. Okay? Perfect. So let's begin. So this is the topic that we stopped with. So now we did permutation, we looked at variety of questions, we did combination, and we really looked at lots of good combination questions. Now finally we are going to look at topics which are important for JEE mains and JEE advanced level. Okay, so I want everybody to pay attention. Hi, Meera Silu, welcome. So now the topic is division of groups. So how do you divide, let's say you have m plus n objects into two groups of m objects and n objects. How can I divide that? That is what we are going to look at. So when I have, let's say, 12 objects, how can I divide it into groups of 5 and 7? That is the question. So how do we do that? So the very easy way of looking at it is, if I select 5 from 12 objects and keep it aside, automatically 7 is left out, na? So don't you think 12C5 is the answer? Don't you think 12C5 is the answer? Are you guys able to understand? Let me repeat it. I have 12 objects in totality, and I want to divide it into two groups of 5 objects and 7 objects. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select 5 objects from 12 and keep it aside. If I keep 5 objects aside, what is left out is only 7 objects. So I have divided it. So this is the number of ways of dividing 12 into 5 and 7. Are you guys able to understand that? Can you all give me a thumbs up or a yes in the chat quickly, guys? Everybody? Is that clear to everybody? I want each and every one to follow this. Okay, Anisha. Anisha, I'm so happy that you could make it. Brilliant job, brilliant job. Guys, I want you to follow and let me know whether you're understanding. And if you have any doubt, feel free to ask me. But please remember, in this case, your M and N are not equal because we are looking at unequal group size. So this is the way you are supposed to do it. Are you guys clear? And this is called as division into groups. That is the topic name. Everybody fine? Now let's try to solve some questions based on it. But before that, what if I want to divide into 3 groups? Sir, you told how to divide into 2 groups. That is fine. But the same 12 objects, let's say if I want to divide into 3, 4 and 5. How can I do it? How can I do it? Yes, Devil. Kiran, you can absolutely do it, Kiran. You are right. You can do that also. Now I'm increasing the difficulty. What if I want to divide 12 into 3 groups? So here what I will do is, first I will select 3, and after I select 3, how many will be left out? 9 will be left out. From the 9, I will select 4. That's it. So from 12, I select 3, keep it aside. After I select 3, only 9 will be left out, because 12 minus 3 is 9. Now from that 9 which is left out, I will choose 4 and keep it aside. So that way I divide 3, 4, 5. Are you guys able to get that? Everybody able to follow that? So that is the way in which I divide 12 objects into 3 different groups of 3, 4 and 5 objects. Are you guys able to understand? So this, if you reduce it, you will get a wonderful formula. You will get a wonderful formula. What is that? So 9 factorial will get cancelled. So it is basically 12 factorial by 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial. So that is very easy. So if you have n objects, or if you have m plus n plus p objects, and if you want to divide into m, n and p groups, each of unequal size, then you just divide it by m factorial, n factorial and p factorial. That's it. So I have given you the formula, I have given you a visualization. So you guys should never ever forget this. Are you all able to understand it? So shall we put it to practice in a question? Do you guys want to test it yourself, whether it is working or not? Are you guys, are my ninjas, ready for this challenge? Yes, are you guys ready for this mission? Yup. So here we go on the first mission for today. Right on your screen. Please do it, guys. Everybody. Everybody has to do it. Please do it and tell me what do you think is the right answer. Very good, Harini. Abdullah, we will let you know in a short while. It should come out as a surprise to everybody. Okay. What is the number of ways in which 9 persons can be divided into groups having 2, 3 and 4? So 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 9, and 2, 3 and 4 are all unequal. So the number of ways of dividing is very good, Bharani. Very good, Uncharted. You guys are awesome, because the answer is option B. So how do you do it? It is 9 factorial by 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial. So if you solve this, you will get 1260. Can you guys do it and check it for yourself? Yes? So how do I solve it? So 9 factorial and 4 factorial will become 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 divided by 2 into 6. So 6 and 6 will get cancelled. Then 2 and 8 will become 4. So that will be how much? So 20 into 63. So that will be 1260. I hope you guys have got it. Very good, Tejaswini. Very good, Harshavardhani. Very good. You guys are all awesome. Keep it up. Let this good enthusiasm keep going. I want this enthusiasm to grow and get better and better. Wonderful concept, isn't it? But don't get too excited, because I'm going to take it even higher. Let's go to the next level. Okay, so let's go to even difficult stuff. So the next topic is, when you divide it into equal groups, what will happen? So till now what I spoke of was dividing a total number into unequal groups. So you should have asked me that question, sir, why are you saying unequal groups only, sir? What will happen when you have equal groups? So I am going to talk about it, and you guys will be able to understand it in a short while. But before that, guys, I'm sure everybody knows about the wonderful pro subscription of Vedantu, which has produced many toppers in KVPY, IIT JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. So if you want to be a part of this wonderful pro subscription, then you have to check out the link that is shared in the chat and in the description below this video. The Pro subscription will give you access to Vedantu's platform, and you also have 20 plus teachers with more than 5-6 years of teaching toppers. They can teach in Hindi as well as English. And you also have crash course, micro course as a part of it. Okay? So if you think you're ready for it, sir, I am really excited to study with Vedantu, because this corona situation, I don't know how long it will last, but my studies cannot pause. So if I want to make it big, Vedantu can help me. If you think like that, then definitely check it out, because the prices in Vedantu is incomparable. You cannot compare it to any other competition or any other institute for that matter, because it is around 133 per day for the 2022 batch, and the coupon code is given over here. Hi Kanika Joshi, welcome. Yes, Abdullah, I'm quickly going to move forward. Ranjani Jos, we will be done with this class in probably 45 minutes. This is going to be a very fun session. Try to be a part of it. You will have fun, I'm sure. Okay, so this is the coupon code. If you guys like it, go for it. The description will contain the courses. Okay, so let's get started, guys. Come on. Now, Ishan, no problem, Ishan. You're on time. We are discussing some brilliant concepts of permutation and combination. Wajahat, welcome Wajahat. So nice to see all of you here. So guys, Debika is asking, will you teach in Pro? Yes, I will be teaching in Pro the next year, Debika. So you will be able to access my courses. You'll have to wait for it. Yes, Kanishka, I'm sorry. So it is not Kanika, it is Kanishka, it seems. Welcome. Perfect. So let's continue. Now, division of groups of equal size. Now we are coming to equal size. Now everybody will ask me, sir, what is the difference? So now let us say you have 4 objects and I want to divide it into groups of 2 and 2. So according to the previous formula, the answer was 4 factorial by 2 factorial, 2 factorial. Don't you guys agree? According to the previous formula, which is for unequal groups. But here, since you have 2 equal groups, you have to divide by 2 factorial. Sir, why sir? Why should I divide by this extra 2 factorial? For this, I'm going to explain it with an example. Okay? Because I want you guys to understand everything. You should not simply just go for memorizing or just go for taking the formula down and being happy with it. No, I want you guys to understand. So let's look at why we divide by 2 factorial. So let us take the 4 objects as A, B, C, D. So I want to divide into groups of 2 and 2. Are you guys able to understand that? Are you guys able to understand that? Yes? So now, how can I separate into groups of 2? I can have AB, I can have AC, I can have AD. Are you guys able to understand that? So when I have AB, what will I have here? I'll have CD. When I have AC, what will I have here? I'll have BD. When I have AD, what will I have here? I'll have BC. And then what else can I have? What else can I have? Can I say I'll have BA? Or can I have CD over here? So AB, AC, AD is done. So then you'll have BC, then you'll have CD. Then what else is left out? What other possibility is left out? Then you'll have BD. Then when you have BC here, there you'll have AB, AD. When you have CD here, there you'll have AB. When you have BD here, you will have AC over here. Don't you think the cases are repeating? Don't you think the cases are repeating? Because AB, AC, AD and CD, BD, BC. That's it. that is the same as these three cases. Look at it carefully. Look at it carefully. This and this are the same, and this and this are the same. So I have to divide by 2 factorial. I have to divide by 2 factorial. Are you guys able to understand that? Very good, Suhail. Very good, Jashwant. Awesome. That is why I divide by 2 factorial. Are you guys able to understand? So when you divide into equal groups, there will be repetition. So to get rid of this repetition, I need to divide by 2 factorial. Okay. So now let me give you a tougher example. Let me give you a tougher example. Now you tell me, if I have 9 objects and I want to divide into groups of 3, 3 and 3, what will be the answer? The answer will be 9 factorial by 3 factorial, 3 factorial, 3 factorial, just like the previous method. Then I will divide by 1 by 3 factorial. So how many ever equal groups you have, that many factorial you have to divide. So I have 3 equal groups, so I need to divide by 3 factorial. Very good. You ninjas are amazing. You guys are awesome. You are so quick to understand. So if you have the right exposure, I think you can reach any great height. I am very sure of it now, because this is a good concept which you guys have understood in seconds. So that is beautiful. That is so encouraging for any teacher. Brilliant job. You guys deserve a star for that. Okay, you guys are awesome. So shall we move forward? Are you all ready? Yes? Did everybody understand this concept? I want a thumbs up from a lot of people. I want a thumbs up if you guys are all excited. So shall we go on a mission? Shall we try to test whatever we learned? Yes? Very good. Girupa Varsha, welcome. That's awesome. Exactly, Mohammed. So here we go. Let's get this tested on a very good question. So guys, this is the question which I have for you. Please do try it out, and once you guys are done, let me know. Exactly, Harini, if you want to divide it into 4 equal groups of 2, 2, 2, 2, then you are right, Harini. Absolutely right. You understood it. That's it. So apply the same logic in this question, Harini. Apply the same logic in this question. Any answers, my ninjas? Any answers? Kiran says A. What about others? Debika says A. Tejaswini says A. Bharani is A. Very good. Because guys, the answer is A. The answer is A. That shows you guys have got it. That shows you guys have got it. Amazing work, guys. Because the answer for this question is nothing but your option A. Because you have 52 cards. You want to divide it into equally 4 groups. So equally 4 groups means 13, 13, 13, 13. Are you guys clear? So what is the answer? 52 factorial by 13 factorial, 13 factorial, 13 factorial, 13 factorial, whole divided by 4 factorial. Why 4 factorial? Because there are 4 equal groups. So that will give you option A, which is nothing but your right answer. Are you guys able to understand it? Very good, Anisha. Anisha, great job. You guys are all rocking. Amazing work. Everybody done with it? So shall we move forward, guys? Yes, good job, Jashwant. That's amazing. So let us proceed. Now, finally, we are coming to one of the most sought after topic, which is nothing but your beggar and coin method. Have you guys heard of this before? Beggar and coin method. Yes? Have you guys heard of it? So I will tell you the story. This is a very funny story. So you guys will love it. Okay, everybody listen carefully and let's try to understand what this method is all about, because this can give you good marks in your advanced level also. So even in JEE advanced level, you can get questions from this. Exactly, Tejaswini. Arvind Kalia sir also took it in Hindi. So if you guys are comfortable, then definitely check out his video because he has explained lot of examples in this method. Okay, so please listen carefully, guys. Veer Shah, no man, I am in Chennai only. So I just wanted to try it out so that I can interact with you guys more. Okay, very good, Tejaswini, that's awesome. So I will write on top of it. This is called as the beggar coin method. Beggar coin method. So let us say I will take one example. Let us say I will take Jyoti Aditya. Okay, so I will call him Aditya. So I take Aditya. Aditya is a very rich guy. Okay, so he has 10 coins. So let's say it is in olden days. So 10 coins is actually rich. Okay, so we have 10 coins Aditya has and there are 3 beggars. Okay, so let's say there are beggar 1, beggar 2 and beggar 3, and to all the 3 totally Aditya can maximum give them 10 coins. Okay, so totally 10 coins is what Aditya can give. So now think about it very carefully. In how many ways can I distribute these 10 coins to the 3 beggars so that the beggars either get 0 coins or 1 coin or 2 coin or 3 coin or up to 10 coins, because 10 is the maximum. Got it? So that is what is answered by the beggar and coin method. That is what is answered by this formula over here. So the answer is number of coins 10, number of beggars 3 minus 1, C 3 minus 1. So the answer is 12C2. So 12C2 ways are there. 12C2 ways are there by which Aditya can distribute these 10 coins to the 3 beggars. Are you all clear? Are you guys able to understand that? Now, some of you might be interested. Sir, we are all in 11th standard. We have a lot of time. Can you teach me the reason behind it? Can you derive this beggar and coin? How many of you are excited to derive it? Shall we go forward and derive it? Are you guys ready for it? Yeah? How many of you want to derive it? Come on guys, show me some excitement. Everybody is sleepy, huh? Wake up, wake up, wake up and show me some excitement so that we can derive it together. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. It's fun. Okay, so I'm going to derive it. Listen carefully. So we will end up with this formula. We will end up with this formula. Why beggar and coin name? Because of the example I gave you. Okay, it is also called as the ball and stick method. It is called as ball and stick method. It is called as bars and stars method. So this and all they used in Western countries. In America, in Europe, they use this. But in India, we like to stick to beggar and coin. That's easier to understand. So let's stick to beggar and coin only. So if you want to Google it, if you want to search in the internet, sir, are you telling the right way to derive it? Sir, are we talking about the same ball and stick method? Then you have to check it with this word. Okay. So let's derive it. Hi, Sukda Baruna, welcome. Davin, we are finishing with this video. This is the last lecture. So let's derive it. Shh. Guys, everybody quiet. Listen. This is going to be awesome. Yes, Saurav Mishra, you are right. So guys, let's do it. So let us say you have 10 balls. 10 coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are the 10 coins which our friend Aditya has. So our friend Aditya has 10 coins and he wants to distribute it to 3 beggars. So if I want to give it to 3 beggars, in how many ways can I divide it? If I put 2 sticks, can I get 3 divisions? If I put 2 sticks, can I get 3 divisions? Are you guys able to understand? So we have 3 beggars, B1, B2, B3. So these are the 10 coins. So I have written the 10 coins over here, and if I want to give it to 3 beggars, I need to create 3 divisions. So 3 divisions I can create in this manner by keeping 2 sticks. So if I have 3 beggars, I need to keep 2 sticks. So what does these 2 sticks mean? These 2 sticks mean beggar 1 gets 3 coins, beggar 2 gets 4 coins, and beggar 3 gets 3 coins. That is what this means. That is what this means. Very good, Aditya, you are right. Yes, Veersha, no worries. Okay, are you guys clear with it? Now, let us look at other arrangements. So let us say we don't have the sticks like this. Let us say we don't have the sticks like this. Let's say we have it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's say I have sticks like this. What does this mean? This means beggar 1 gets 2 coins, beggar 2 gets anda, 0. Aditya fooled beggar 2. He didn't give him anything. And beggar 3 gets 8 coins. So that is what this means. That is what this means. Are you guys able to follow that? Everybody? Yeah? So this is a conceptual understanding. But now, sir, come to the conclusion, sir. How do we derive it? So guys, do you agree the various arrangements of these 10 balls and 2 sticks will give the answer? The various arrangements of these 10 balls and 2 sticks will give me the answer? Hi Srinivas Rao, welcome man. Everybody clear with that? So we have 10 identical balls and 2 identical sticks. So in how many ways can I arrange them? It is nothing but. Do you guys agree? 10 balls and 2 sticks, the number of ways of arranging them. We studied this yesterday. Permutation of alike objects. So we have 10 identical, 2 identical. So totally 12. That is how you do it. So don't you think that is exactly what we got before? We got 12C2. And don't you think that is what I get by the formula? Now did you understand the derivation? Very good, Saurav. Everybody clear with the derivation? So you guys are awesome. Now you know the derivation itself. You guys know the derivation of beggar and coin. Okay? So that is how you do it. I hope you guys liked it. Everybody clear? So with that, let's move forward. Let's try to practice some questions. Okay? So here we go. Ninjas, are you all ready? Can I see some thumbs up? Can I see some green signal to go for the questions, to go to the mission? Are you all ready? Yes? Everybody? Brilliant, guys. This is awesome. So let us proceed to the questions that I have for you today. The first question, please do it. So Saurav Mishra has learned it by the stars and bars method. Yes, Saurav. There are 3 names for it. Stars and bars, beggar and coin, and ball and stick. All are correct, Saurav. Okay, you are right. Good. Aditya, if you are in 11th standard, I would recommend you to solve everything. But if you are in 12th standard, you don't have time. So maybe you will have to solve only single choice. Okay, Aditya? Abdullah, Aravind sir had some emergency. That is all I know. He has gone to his hometown. So he will be back and he will be back stronger. Don't worry. Okay? Very good. So what is the answer? My ninjas, what are you guys doing? Are you all ready? Very good, guys. You guys are awesome. So this is just like 30 coins and 6 beggars. Don't you guys agree? Don't you guys agree? This is the same as this situation. Are you able to understand that? That is how you correlate. That is how you relate whatever you learn. Very good, Krishna. I'm so happy that you're able to understand it even though you're in 10th standard. Awesome. Keep it up. Are you guys clear with it? So now you know what to do. The formula is n plus r minus 1 cr minus 1, which is 35c5, and that is over. Everybody clear with it? So shall I move forward, guys? Yes. All of you? Great work, amazing, amazing. Wonderful job. So let us proceed now. Now I'm going to show you the next application of this particular method. Exactly, Saurabh. So moving on, the next application which I want to teach you is number of non-negative integral solution of linear equation. This is, let me have some water. This is one of the most important applications of Beggar and Coin. Okay, so you guys can maybe note it down. Kiran has even calculated what is 35C5. Kiran, hats off, man. Next level you are. Okay, so guys, let's come back. Let's come back and try to solve it. So why is this happening? Sir, you taught us Beggar and Coin. We understood it. We understood the solving part also. Now what is this? How is this related to Beggar and Coin? Let's have a look. Okay, so we have x1 plus x2 till xr is equal to n. Now x1, x2, xr, all of them are non-negative integers. So what do you mean by non-negative integers? Can anyone tell me? Non-negative integers means they can take values from 0 to any integer positive. So that means they can take 0, 1, 2 and so on. Are you guys clear with that? That is what we call as non-negative integers. Are you guys clear with it? Yes? Everybody? Are you all able to understand that? Very good, very good, very good. So can I say this is very similar to distributing n coins to r beggars? Because the beggars can get 0 coins, 1 coin, 2 coin or up to n coins. So it is very, very similar to distributing n coins to r beggars. So the number of integer solutions to this one will be n plus r minus 1, cr minus 1. That's it, over. That is how you get closer and understand how this linear equation can be connected with Beggar and Coin. Okay? Yes, gamer, we are having a night lecture. Yes, Kashap, I will try to show my book after the class. Okay, I'll try to bring my book. So, math strategy for calculus, I would recommend Cengage, Saurav. So, if you are looking for IIT, Cengage is the book to follow. But if you are not looking at IIT, sir, I'm in 9th standard, I want to learn maths and enjoy it, I would recommend a book called as Thomas and Finney. Okay, it is a foreign author, so you can study that. So I would recommend this if you are in 9th standard really. Okay, because I don't know, maybe you are in 9th, maybe you are in 8th, maybe you are in 12th. But if you are in 9th, then you can use Thomas and Finney. It's a very good book. Okay, so this is gonna expose you to the basics of calculus in the best way possible, Saurav. Okay, so that is for you. So everybody clear? So shall we move forward? Yes? No man, I do agree. I have no problem. But if you are in 9th, then Thomas and Finney is the best book. Okay, that is my suggestion. Very good, Jashwant. So shall we move forward? All my ninjas, are you guys ready for the question? Are you guys ready? Yes, Rahul, welcome man. So let's go forward and try to solve a question based on it. Can you guys tell me what is the answer for this? Yes, Bharani, this is the example. All of you try to solve it. Please do it, guys. Okay, Harini. Harini, you can check it out in Vedantu's website. There is a KVPY course which is going on right now. Very good, Saurav Mishra. Saurav Mishra is super fast. He's like bullet train. Saurav, I think, will get into IIT in 10th standard only. Good man, good. I like people who are so enthusiastic because I was like that. So when I was in 9th, I also prepared for 11th and 12th. So I can relate to what Saurav is going through. Okay, that is why I suggested a very nice book for him. Okay, good job guys. That is the answer. So let us try to solve it. Okay, so the answer is 10 plus 4 minus 1, C4 minus 1. So the answer is 13C3, and that will be 13 factorial by 10 factorial, 3 factorial, which will be 11 into 12 into 13 divided by 6. So that will be 13 into 22. 13 into 22 is 286, and that will be the answer. I hope you guys got it. Are you guys clear with it? Everybody, are you all clear? Very good, Ali Sarmishta. Very good, superb. So shall we move forward? Yes, brilliant, brilliant guys, awesome. So let's take it to next level. Let me see how many of you tackle this. This is a good question, and now I will give you 2 minutes time. I will give you 2 minutes time, and now you guys try to solve it, okay? Because this I'm not going to help. This is a good question. Okay? Try to solve it. Everybody. Jashwant, I will confirm it. I think the soft copy should be given. I will confirm it and I will message you. Okay? So most probably it will be given, the soft copy. I am very sure the hard copy will not be given. So Kashyap says 17C2. Is that right, Kashyap? Think about it. Very good. Saurav Mishra. You have really nailed it. You are right, Saurav. You are right. Good job, Saurav. That's awesome. Okay. Very good, very good. Abhishek is also right. Abhishek is also correct. That is how you do it. Very good, Srinivas. Awesome, man. So guys, are you all done? Shall we try to solve it? Saurav has really got the hang of it. Good job, Kiran. Kiran is also right. So how do we do it? So can I directly solve it like this? X plus y plus z is equal to 15. So can I say it is 15 plus 3 minus 1 C3 minus 1 is equal to 17 C2, which Kashyap said? No, that is wrong. That is wrong. Why is that wrong? That is wrong because you cannot take your y cannot take 0. Your z cannot take 0. Are you understanding, Kashyap? Your y and z cannot take 0. Only when your y and z can take non-negative values starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, then only you can use beggar and coin. So how do I do that? How do I ensure that they start from 0? So what I will do is, listen very carefully. I am going to do something very beautiful. I know my y is greater than or equal to 1. So I will write my y as 1 plus y dash such that y dash is greater than or equal to 0. And we know z is greater than or equal to 2. So I will write my z as 2 plus z dash such that z dash is greater than or equal to 0. Are you guys able to understand? Are you guys able to understand this? Yes, everybody? Everybody is able to follow this? So with this, I can do something very awesome. I'm going to show that to you guys. Please listen carefully. Very good, Saurav. I'm so happy that you're able to follow. Awesome, man. Good. So now we know that x plus y plus z is equal to 15. So can I say because x plus y plus z is equal to 15, can I say it is x plus 1 plus y dash plus 2 plus z dash is equal to 15? So can I say x plus y dash plus z dash is equal to 12? Is that correct? Is that correct? Now all of them start from 0. This starts from 0, this starts from 0, this starts from 0. So here I can apply beggar and coin. Here I can apply beggar and coin. Are you guys able to understand that? So if I apply Beggar and coin, what is the answer? 12 plus 3 minus 1, C3 minus 1. 14 C2, which is 91. Got it? Are you guys clear? Are all my ninjas done with this question? How many of you are able to follow? Can you guys give me a thumbs up? Everybody, all the ninjas who have got it, give me a quick thumbs up in the chat so that we can proceed to the next question. Very good guys. Amazing Vignesh. Amazing Hardik Baruna. Brilliant Sugda. Keep going guys. You guys are awesome. Did you use additive inverse? No Barani. I just wrote y as 1 plus y dash. It is not additive inverse. I just wrote it like that because I want my y dash to start from 0. And Abhishek is asking, sir, can I use Arihant? Yes, Abhishek, both Arihant and Cengage are good. The reason I always say Cengage is because I personally feel Cengage has a gradual increase of difficulty, but Arihant suddenly becomes difficult. So you might find it a bit hard. So that is why I recommend Cengage to all my students. But Arihant is also equally good. Only thing is, good students might enjoy Arihant even more. That's it. Okay? If you want to be a topper, then there are better books than Arihant. You have Das Gupta, you have Vinay Kumar, you have Tattva, lot of material. So my suggestion is stick to one book, solve it fully. That's it. End of story. Even R.D. Sharma is good. Not the CBSE one, the JEE mains one. Okay. Okay, cool. So let's move forward to the next one. I am sure you guys have learnt a great deal. The last topic for today is derangements. So with this guys, we have completed everything. We have completed each and every topic in the book of PnC. Okay. So let's try to solve it. Yes, Saurabh, Excursion in Mathematics is also an amazing book. Yup. So you have Olympiad level maths also, but I don't want to get into that because I'm teaching 11th and 12th standard. So I want you guys to stick to JEE level because you can't afford to lose time on Olympiad because Olympiad and JEE preparation are very different, especially in 11th and 12th. Okay. So shall we get started? Hi Ekta, welcome Ekta. So nice to see you here. SL Loni is a very good book for coordinate geometry. Yes. Yes Ekta, you're a bit late. No problem. We're almost done. You can try to watch the replay. That will help you a lot. Okay. Okay, Saurav. Now I get it. Okay, very good. You want practice. So Naveen, if you want to study again, then I would recommend you to be a part of some course like the crash course or like a pro subscription, either in Vedantu or if you are already part of some institute, that is better. But if you want just practice, then get the Tattva material from Vedantu. So you can enroll for a small crash course they will give you and that you can start. Okay, that will be helpful. Or you can do Cengage. But if you are writing exam on February, the most important resource for you is the previous year's question. Okay, Saurav, we have very good teachers, man. We have Surendra sir. So Saurav, you can check out Surendra sir. So he might be a very good guide for you. Surendra Jain sir. So he teaches for Olympiad and he has produced many toppers. Okay, so he is the main topper teacher in Vedantu. So he takes care of all the top ranks. So if you want to be a part of the Olympiad team, you can get in touch with him. So if you are good, he will train you. Okay. Yup. So guys, let's come back to topic. Doubt session. Definitely we will have something there. I will try to have some doubt session wherein I can pick up all your questions. But right now, we already have a lot of load because we have KVPY, we have sprint, we also have the one-shot sessions planned for you. So do stay tuned I'll try to take your doubts mostly in Instagram. Is that okay? Can you guys message me over there so I can talk to you and help you out? Brilliant, brilliant. Hi Archana, very warm welcome. So nice to see you at this time. Okay, coming back to derangement, guys. Last topic, let's be done with it. So what does derangement means? Derangement means chaos. Chaos. Okay, Archana. I'm so sorry to hear that. I hope he gets better. Okay. So derangement means chaos. What does chaos mean? Complete confusion. Because if you have 5 locks, let's say you have 3 locks and 3 keys. So when I say derangement, it means the number of ways in which all the lock and key can be mismatched. The number of ways in which all the lock and key can be mismatched. So no lock will get the right key. That is what is meant by derangement. Did you guys understand that? So derangement means everything goes into the wrong place. That is what is meant by derangement of n objects. Exactly. Yes, Saurav, but I don't think number theory will ever be included. Geometry, we do get questions in JEE Mains and Advanced, but not number theory. Okay. So now let's try to understand. So what is the number of derangement of 3 objects? The number of derangements of 3 objects is 3 factorial into 1 minus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial. So how much is that? That is nothing but 3 minus 1, which is 2. So there are only 2 ways in which it can happen. Are you guys clear? Are you guys clear with it? So there are 2 ways in which the locks and the keys can be mismatched. Are you guys able to follow that? Yes or no? How do we do that? Let's understand. Lock 1, lock 2, lock 3. Key 1, key 2, key 3. So it can be like this. This is one way. The other way I will write it down because I want you guys to visualize. Visualization is always good. Visualization is always good. Is that clear, guys? So this and this. That's it. These are the 2 ways in which they can be mismatched. Now do you guys understand that? Now do you guys understand that? Absolutely. So shall we move forward? Are you guys clear with the final concept of this topic? Yes, Sugdha Baruna, we will do JEE Mains previous year's questions. I have promised that as well. So lot of good stuff planned for you. So I want the support of everybody. Do spread the word because we are new and we teach only in English. Okay. So I would really appreciate your support and help in that. Okay. So with that, let us move ahead. This is the question. Please solve it, guys. Yes, I do have that in mind. If we reach good level, so I told you the target is 50,000. Okay, we are very short of it. If we reach 50,000, then I will give a Vedantu t-shirt giveaway and you guys will definitely get something good. You will get a lot of goodies from Vedantu. Okay, will you solve problems in HC Verma? Kashap, I teach maths, man. I solved HC Verma when I was in 11th standard. When I was in 11th standard, I solved it. Where are we now? We are somewhere around 10,000, I would say. Okay, so we have a long way. Yes. Banu, yes, Banu. Let's check it. Are you guys done? Is everybody done? Tanmay, I'm not in the office, man. I am at my house. So Vedantu sets up studios in the house for some teachers, almost all of them because of the corona situation. So I am taking it from my house. Okay. What was your 12th board exam mark? I think it was 477. 477 out of 500. I was in CBSE. So unfortunately, I didn't get full in maths. I got 99. And the day I wrote the exam, I knew what mistake I made. But yeah, good days. It's good to think back and, realize what went wrong, what went right and all that. So that will be 4 to the power 6 Abdullah. What is the doubt? Okay, so guys, let's try to solve it. Please listen carefully. So we have 5 letters and all the 5 letters should be dearranged. All the 5 letters should go wrong. So the answer is B, because the answer is 5 factorial into 1 minus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial minus 1 by 5 factorial. So what is the answer? These two will anyway get cancelled. It will be 60 minus 20 plus 5 minus 1. So that will be 45 minus 1, which is 44. So 44 is the answer. I hope you guys are clear with it. Did you all understand it? Exactly, Saurav. You're right, Saurav. Absolutely. Everybody clear with it? Yes? All of you guys are fine? Very good, very good. Brilliant. Now, one good question apart from this. The last question for the day. Please try it out. In the meantime, I will go get my Tattva and come. Okay? I'll go check my Tattva book. I will bring it and show it to you guys so that everybody knows what Vedantu's Tattva is all about. So give me a minute. You guys keep trying and try to solve it. Okay. Are you guys done? Are you guys done? Yes, yes, Mohammed. Mohammed, I will teach you that in a short while. Just wait for a few more minutes. Okay? Yes, yes, Uncharted. Uncharted, I directly gave the formula. Because derangement formula is more than enough, man. Okay, so Uncharted, when you have n objects, let's say n lock and key, n letter and envelope. So if you want all of them to be wrongly matched, the number of derangements, derangement means the number of ways in which they can be wrongly matched. All of them. So if you have 5 lock and 5 key, all 5 locks and 5 key are wrongly matched. That is given by derangement of 5 objects. That formula is n factorial into 1 minus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial and so on. Are you getting it? That is what we are doing. Understood? So now, here what is happening? 3 are going to right envelope. So what I will do is, from 7, I will choose 3 because those 3 will go to the right envelope. And when I say and, what should I do? When I say and, I have to multiply. And 4 letters are going wrong because exactly 3 go to right. That means the remaining 4 are going wrong. So the remaining 4 are dearranged. That is what derangements. So 7C3 into derangement of 4 is 4 factorial into 1 minus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial. That's it. Over. Very good. Very good. Very good, Saurav. That's brilliant. That's absolutely right. So what is 7C3? 7C3 is 35. And what is this derangement of 4 objects? That is 9. So 35 into 9 is 315. That is the way to do it. Are you guys clear? Did you guys like it? Everybody? This is the way you have to solve. This is what you guys have to be good at. Okay? So now coming to Mohammad's question. Mohammed was asking, sir, I have 6 rings and I have 4 fingers. In how many ways can I wear the rings? So Mohammed, you can take the first ring and you have 4 options for that. Understood? You can take the second ring and that will have 4 options. You can take the third ring, that will have 4 options. Every ring will have 4 options. So all of them will be multiplied. So that is why the answer is 4 power 6. Did you understand it? Did you understand it, Abdullah? Yes, in sometimes it comes in PnC, Saurabh. Yes. Okay. So guys, with that, we are done. I hope everybody had a great session. Girish is saying I'm very active. Yes, Girish, it is always exciting to see all my students, all my ninjas over here. Yeah, man. So guys, this is the Tattva material. So if you guys have a look at it, this is calculus 1, this is calculus 2, and you have algebra, and then you have inverse trigonometry, and then you have vectors, 3D and probability. Okay. So if you open it, you will have exercise 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a very, very good book. So this is what the students in the Vedantu's Pro subscription get. So if you are a part of Vedantu's Pro subscription, if you take 1 year or 2 years course, then you will get it. I will give the link in the description. So if you guys like it, if you guys feel you want this book and you want the best teachers in India to teach you, then you have to go for it. You have to go for the 1 year subscription or the 2 year subscription. Yes, you will get all 3 subjects. Yes. All 3 subjects. Saurav, you have to get it in the Vedantu's website. You have to enroll in one of the courses. Okay. So guys, that's about it. I hope you had a great time. With that, we will conclude our session. So this is the coupon code. So Saurav and all those who wanted the Tattva material, please check this link and you guys will get a 20% off if you do that. Okay. So with that, the Telegram group, all my announcements. Guys, the assignment will be posted here. The assignment will be posted here. So if you guys want it, please be a part of this. Yes, Saurav. So guys, with that, we will conclude and definitely do the drill. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Do give it a like and we will meet again in the next session. Okay. Kiran, what can we do, man? We still have a long time. Okay, so don't worry, we will meet in the next session. I will plan some long sessions. So guys, do you all like these night sessions? Are you all okay with it? So will everybody be comfortable? Shall we continue it? Yes, Saurav. Okay. Take longer session. Yes. We will do it, man. Yes, Abhishek, I'll try to do that. It will be good for everybody. How to concentrate more on my JEE portions. So, Varsha, you have to start from something you like. So, something you can be excited about. For example, you can start from H.C. Verma. If you find H.C. Verma difficult, go to NCERT. Like that, pick a book which makes you excited about studying. So that is the best way to do it. Okay. Exactly. Yes, Varalakshmi, thank you. When will I sleep? I will sleep a bit late, man. When I was in IIT, I used to sleep very late. Usually in IIT, people sleep very late, so I got used to that. When I was in college, I used to sleep very late, but now I am sleeping on time. It's slightly better. Yes, Jashwant. IIT life is amazing, guys. You should definitely go visit it once. Not just IIT in general, college life at any premier institute in India is pretty good. Due to corona, competition is going to reduce. Mohammed, you can't say that for sure, because there are some students who are utilizing this time, na? So you can never generalize like that. Okay. Great, Saurav. Archana has been to IIT Madras. Awesome. I find chem difficult. Any book? So Abhishek, what do you want? Do you want theory book or you want practice book? So if you want theory book, you should go for Pradeep's, or you can go for... So when I was studying, I used to have one book called R.C. Mukherjee for physical chemistry. You can do that as well. But if you want practice, then Avasthi, Narendra Avasthi is very good. Okay. For theory, you can either go for Cengage or you can go for Pradeep's. Pradeep's is used by NEET aspirants, but that book is very, very good. Okay. Abu Bakr just wanted to experiment, man. Varsha finds physics hard. Okay. So Varsha, like I said, you start from easy ones. So you start from a very simple book, NCERT, and if you find that easy, then go to slightly higher level, H.C. Verma or D.C. Pandey. And if you find that also easy, then go to Iridov. Then like that, you slowly progress. That is how it works. Okay, bye Archana. Take care. Very good night to all of you. Very good, Saurav. So guys, with that, we will conclude our session. Very good, Jashwant. Amazing, man. So CMI, Chennai Mathematical Institute, is a very good institute, first of all. I'm so happy that you're thinking about it, Joanna. So Joanna, you have to cover different math, not the IIT math. Okay, you have to study permutation combination, you have to study number theory, you have to study geometry, and that is going to help you more than your IIT maths, because CMI is a mathematical institute. So they prefer proper math skill. So check the previous year's questions, Joanna, and that will help you. Okay. School and JEE. Uncharted, see, if you are in 11th standard, I would say it's okay. If you are in 80% mark, then it's fine. If it is below 70%, then it's slightly bad, because if you are preparing for advanced, if you are preparing for JEE mains, you should naturally be good at CBSE also. If there is something wrong, then that means you are actually doing something faulty. Okay? Because if you are good at advanced or mains, you should be good at CBSE also. So 80% is the place where I draw the line. If it goes below 60, below 70, then there's something wrong. Okay? So if it is 80%, tell your parents it's okay. For 11th standard, we can manage. In 12th, you can catch up. Because it has happened to me as well. When I was in school, the same thing happened. My parents were worried. Why are your CBSE marks dropping? You are doing very well in JEE mains physics, but why is your CBSE physics very bad? Because you have to write theory, you have to write a lot of big answers. So all that issue comes up, na? But you will realize that in the end you will do well, because like I said, I scored 477 out of 500 on my final exams, but before that I have always been around 380 to 420 or 430, like that. I never got more than that, but in the end I was able to score 477. Okay. Yes, Girish, take care, man. So that is how it goes. Okay. So don't take too much tension. 80% if you are good, but if you are below 60, then you have a problem. Okay. No, Jashwant, it's fine, man. Organic and inorganic. See, inorganic, I have told you, J.D. Lee, edited by Sudarshan Guha, is the best book. And for organic, there are many books available. For practice, M.S. Chavan is the best. For learning, I think Solomon and Kyle, again edited by M.S. Chavan, is best. Okay, so like that, you have to definitely look at various options, see what is best for you. Because Abhishek, every teacher will say something. Okay, I'm sure your chemistry teacher at your school or at your coaching institute will know more than me. So he might tell something, I might tell something, but at the end of the day, what you like, you see. See, you should be able to enjoy the book. So not every book is good for everybody. For example, I feel H.C. Verma is better for me more than D.C. Pandey when I was studying. But now if I ask people, everybody is saying that, sir, D.C. Pandey is very good. So like that, there are comparisons. Everybody has their own flavor. Na? So that you guys have to see. Go and check the book, read it, 2-3 pages you read, and then buy it. Got it? So for physics, like I said, H.C. Verma is there. Then you have D.C. Pandey, then you have Iridov, then you have Krotov. I made a video on books, guys. So check out that video. I talk very detailed in that. Exactly. Jashwant has messaged here, no? Exactly. Okay. So guys, with that, we will conclude. Take care. All the very best to my ninjas. Do give it a like. Do share it. And we will meet again in the next class, which is tomorrow at 4 p.m. Okay. Thank you, Tejas. Take care, guys. Bye-bye. See you. Good night.